Good morning. My name is Vivek Mayani. My group is 157. My theme is presentation and protection of the main result of the DJ activity in the specialty. First is the plan. First, uh, first point is the four basic principle of presentation design. First one is balance. There are two types of balance: symmetric and asymmetrical. Symmetrical is with this type of balance, the elements of the both sides of the design are similar location and size. Asymmetrical, each side of the design is differential yet still balanced. For example, you could have large box on the left side and several small boxes on the right side. Second one is emphasis. Principle of design emphasis. The main reason in using emphasis to help to communicate the message that need to communicated. Emphasis help reader determine to the important information on your display and allow them interpret the message faster. And third one is unity. The design should always feel unified so that all of slide are contact together visually. Your deck has the condensed look to feel. The element on your page must related to another through design element such as color, shape, text, and so on. Fourth one is movement. Principle of design movement is a visually flow through composite. It can be the suggestion of motion in design as you move from object way to placement and position. Directional movement can be created with a valuation pattern. How to make a presentation in a PowerPoint program? It's so many steps. uh, Target seminar design for the you presentation and pitch that. First one is a project presentation plan. Second one is consider a presentation plan in advance. Do not forget about the required section. Third one is cover page. First slide introduction, the main part of the presentation, conclusions. Fourth one is the main part of presentation is most important. When creating it, imagine people who are new to the topic report will listen to. They should understand what you report is about, the what you roll in the what you describe. And presentation design, make out the text headline of difficult slide in the same style. If you choose blue of the heading and the camera bin font, headline should be blue and slide. We choose the celebrity for the main text. You will have used it on slider. uh, do not get carried away to exclusive highlight, italic and color text. Next one is presentation background color. Make sure the text does not merge with the background. Keep in mind that each projector will have less contrast than you monitor. The best background is white and best text color is black and dark color. A little test compare the three examples by clicking the first picture and scrolling arrows on the keyboard. Last one is making the title and first slide. From the content of the first slide, should be clear what is about, what is referred to. To do this, do not forget to special organization, education, student, enterprise, report topic, title, surname, name, and other detail. And after this content and reference and information, it is all about my presentation and conclusion. Thank you so much.